Yes, but there again, my people. Big up and respect my people. My people, I'm going to present a video to you. I want you to look at a situation in this video and tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong. Alright, so here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a motorcyclist who was riding a motorcycle fell from off the motorcycle, viewers and subscribers. See? Now let me explain a little more before I present the video to you. I got the understanding from the video that I'm about to present to you that a motorcyclist who was riding a motorcycle was about to negotiate a corner or was about to go around the corner. And just as the motorcyclist was about to go around the corner, a motor vehicle that was being driven by someone came from the opposite direction and around the same corner. See? So at some point, the motorcyclist fell from off the motorcycle, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information if the motorcyclist had been injured. So I say, I'm not even sure if the motorcycle touched the motor vehicle. You see me? Because I look on the video, I'm not sure if the motorcycle touched the motor vehicle either, viewers and subscribers. However, based on the situation that I can see in the video, would I like to tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to this situation that I can see in the video. Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, I think that the motorcyclist might be at fault. You understand? Yeah, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button as well too. So I say, anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. So what I talk about, people. This what I talk about. And the person come out of the motor vehicle and look on the motor vehicle right away. Now, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, I think that the motorcyclist was at fault. Yeah, I think the motorcyclist is the one that was going at a speed that was too much for a corner like that. You understand me? And the corner is somewhat sharp in a way. So when it comes onto a corner like that, knowing that you're not the only person using the road or operating a type of a vehicle on the road, you should negotiate a corner like that with caution and be careful. You see me? I say you can't just blast motor vehicle around corner certain ways. You understand? You have to think about other motor vehicles or other motorists who dip on the road then. You see me? I say you have to think. See, because right there, so I think that who's the was riding that motorcycle was trying to go around that corner at a certain speed, but it don't work out. You know what I mean? It don't work out, and it could have been a worse situation. So, you know, me really and truly hope that everybody alright. You see me I say? You know, because as simple as a ticket, you know, a simple fall can cause a whole heap of damage. So I hope that everybody alright when it comes down to that situation. You see? Alright, so who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong, viewers and subscribers, leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.